When Dongbao got into trouble, the regulars, the newbies, and old friends no longer dined there. I had no choice. I relocated here.
Sister-in-law, I'm sorry for what happened to you. Zheng Ming and I were just investigated. We got released a few days ago. Even our families suffered. I really didn't know that you relocated the restaurant. You could have told me.
Hongwei, why are you saying that now? It wasn't your fault.
Hey, Auntie, it'll be fine. I'm glad that your restaurant's here. If you need help, just tell me. I'm always just one call away.
Right. Well, I didn't mean to be such a downer. The reason why I moved here in the first place was because I saw its potential. Next year, I'd like to knock down the shop and rebuild it. Don't you all know the construction team? I'm definitely gonna need your help.
Sister-in-law, to be honest with you, you don't really need to do so much for us. With me and Hongwei, your new restaurant will surely be revitalized and booming. I guarantee you that.
Ooh, this guy, I tell you, that's a bold statement from Director Hong Wei. Cheers to that.
Cheers. Auntie, I also got a lot of friends in the city. I don't want to exaggerate here, but I can invite at least 100 or so when your shop opens. The opening ceremony will surely be a great success, and I can even invite all the radio folks and news reporters to make this restaurant and the city a spectacular hit. Whoa!
All right, gentlemen. I invited you here today to do something very important for Brother Lei. Since you've known him longer than me, then surely you would know how he operates. What does Brother Lei truly care about the most? Obviously, it's the factories of Lei Village. But I heard from others that you're going out on your own.
Yang Shuo, as you know, Lei's now under the township, and its newly transferred mayor, who is full of principles and policies that even if we stay there, we can't keep this family business of Dongbao. They'll never let us.
Now that Lei Village comes under the township, it's just getting further governance than before. All of you were just unhappy with the low salary and profitability of Lei Village. So you go out on your own, be your own boss and earn more money. Am I right?
Come on, Mr. Yang, you're a big-time businessman with a sizable wealth. You open a market and you own a car. Do you think that's being fair when you come here and accuse us in this manner? Yang Shen, we're not exactly in the same situation as you are. You don't have to go to Donghai. Just your earnings from Jinju are enough for you to live like a king. In terms of wealth, we can't compete with you.
Zhang Ming believes in a major principle. There's no shame in making money for a good life. But I'll still say the same thing. I'm risking life and limb for Brother Lei. For the sake of your old friend, you gotta stand up for Lei Village. Dongbao built Lei's empire with his own hands. If he gets out, and his two generals are both missing, he will lose the empire that he built.
I'm sorry. I need to go and check the stove.
Sister-in-law, wait, this is more than enough.
No. You're my honored guests, and it's my first shop's first day of business. Please excuse me.
But you are still right. Who wants to be on the losing end? I got it all figured out here. That's the lease agreement for the 3 counters in Jinzu. You can sell whatever you want with those. And most importantly, the money you earn is clean.
But this rent is way too cheap. I don't find it fair.
You don't find it fair? The market's mine, remember? So I dictate the rent. It's actually cheaper than the other tenants, so nobody can control me. What's important is that you stay with Lei Village and keep this home together for Brother Lei. If you agree to stay, I'll definitely find more ways for you to earn more money.
Thank you. I appreciate the thought here, but I'm gonna have to decline. Lei Dongbao got jailed because he committed a huge fraud.
This is not of the same nature as Brother Lei's predicament, just so you know. Are you government officials? Is this considered a bribe? Zhengming, you haven't been a factory director as long as Brother Hong Wei. You don't have as many contacts and resources as he does. Let me ask you then, if you're out on your own, what do you make money with? You can only rely on the resources from the factories. If Chu Zongtian keeps a close eye on you, it's over.
Fine, Yang Shen. Since you are so loyal and fully on board with Dongbao, I'll accept your deal.
Sorry, Hong Wei. I understand your reasons, so I guess I'll take this off your hands.
Wait. Dongbao and I are old classmates. That's why I'll sacrifice for him this time.
You made the right choice. Let's prosper together for Dongbao's sake.
Goodness! Welcome back, Kaiyan.
Mom!
Hey, let me help you with all those
Please,
things,
it's
dear.
okay. I can handle them.
Oh, where's Dad and Xiaoyin? Oh, those two went out shopping for groceries. How are your parents, dear?
Oh, don't worry. They're both fine. My dad said he felt better after taking the medicine he was given.
Good to know, good to know.
And he also asked me to bring all of this food and presents for you.
Goodness, your father's too kind.
You
Give
deserve
him our
it.
regards, dear. Come on, let's go inside.
Yeah.
Go on. Let's make chicken soup for lunch today, all
Sure.
right? I'll call Xiaolei and ask him to get here already.
Don't bother, Mom.
Xiaolei hasn't eaten at home as of late, since his return from Beijing. After the business trip, he's been busy at the plant, you see. Even when he comes home, he only stays 5 minutes or so.
Let me call him then.
Oh, sure, call him, dear. I'll start cooking.
Right.
Right here. Put that here. Right next to that table, got
Where should I
it?
put this?
Xiaohua, bring him to the kitchen.
What about this, madam?
Put that in the kitchen.
Got it.
Hey, this way, this way, this way. Hey! Be careful!
Oh,
Don't break it.
I'm sorry. I'll be careful.
Hold it from the bottom, okay?
Oh, okay.
And walk slowly. Everybody make way! Walk slowly. Put it on that table right there.
Sure, don't
Just
worry,
put it
madam.
there. Be gentle now.
Got it.
Damn it, what the hell did I tell you? I just told you to be extra gentle, now it's all broken! Are you hard of hearing or just stupid?
Madam, I didn't mean to. How much does it cost? Can I pay for it?
I don't need your money! That chandelier was important and irreplaceable!
So then, we're off to a rough start?
That chandelier was Dongbao's wedding gift for me, and the only gift in over 2 years of our marriage. It's fine. I'll get someone to fix it. Come on, let's talk elsewhere. Here.
Take it easy now.
I can't. I'm busy.
Just slow down. I came here to pick you up. We're meeting Dongbao this afternoon.
What, Dongbao? How is his case going? Why are we seeing him when he hasn't been sentenced yet? It's not a heavy sentence, is it?
Don't worry. The provincial leaders are open-minded. After learning about Brother's situation, they also read the petition written by Lei Village. They promised to deal with it fairly. However, there's still some time before the trial, so we're granted special permission to go and see him.
I'm glad. Goodness. Wait, does that mean Dongbao has a chance to finally be free? Does Yang Shuo know about this yet? Hold on, let me call him.
I told him. And he's meeting us in the county. In that case, you might want to freshen up.
I'll go and get ready now. My goodness, Dongbao can't see me like this.
Xiaoyan!
Hey there, Mr. Lin.
Good day.
Good day. Are you here to inspect my market today? You should have called me to pick you up, okay?
Oh, why is that? Are you going out?
Yang Shen, it's been a while. Your business hasn't improved over the past years.
Of course, Mr. Zhao. It's been a while. Are you out of business and here to rent a shop from me?
In your dreams, kid. I'm gonna buy your place.
You're already too late. I got a buyer.
You mean soon, right?
Yeah.
I met him 2 days ago. He said your place isn't up to standard. The deal's off.
That may be so, but there are still other buyers.
And that's me. Make an offer. If the price is right, I'll take it.
Seriously, huh? Mr. Zhao's interested in my market. I'll just ask for less then, right? 3 million.
That's a bold offer, kid.
That really isn't a lot of money. Take a look. You should know by now how business is great in Yangtze. Besides, Mr. Lin, he's got my accounts. Why don't you check with him? As a matter of fact, I'm only asking for just 3 million because of Mr. Lin.
Hey, look, Xiaoyao. How's your affiliation going? Is it still recognized by Lei Village? After their secretary was just detained.
No, there's no problem with my market's affiliation, okay? I'll gladly send you the paperwork in a few days. Mr. Lin, if Mr. Zhao here is particularly keen to purchase my market now, I'd surely accept it with no questions.
Oh?
But that said, I really have no say in the matter. I'll have to ask my brother first.
That's fine. Here. Call your brother now, and we'll settle it today.
My brother might not really have time to see him. He's the director of Donghai Chemicals. His name is Song Yunhui.
Zero 057.
Yeah?
Let's go. Turn right.
Dongbao.
I'm all good. Still alive.
No contact.
You've lost so much weight. Aren't you eating enough every day? I brought you some of your favorite food right here. Xiaoying and I saved up some money for you. Please use it to buy more biscuits and sweets. I asked them, but that's all you're allowed.
My mother isn't here?
I didn't bring her along.
You did the right thing. It's good that she isn't.
I'll tell her that you're staying strong.
How's Lei Village? And what happened to the factories? Can they repay the loan interest?
They weren't doing well. But it's gotten much better. I heard that there's a newly placed mayor in the township who stabilized things and managed to restore order.
Shigen couldn't control the situation. What about Hongwei and Zhengming? They're practically seasoned veterans who could easily take on all sorts of hardships and trials. What exactly went wrong?
I'm sorry, but I don't know that. I'll tell you when I find out more.
Shigen, Hongwei, Zhengming, Zhongfu. They all got away, right? Do you know where they're hiding? Or are they here?
Don't get paranoid. They're all thinking of you, all right? And they have helped out a lot in the relocation of the restaurant as well. They wanted to see you, but they weren't allowed to be here. We were told that only families can be allowed.
I get it. Xiaolei. He's not here?
He's here. He's outside. They didn't let him in.
Why the hell not? He's family.
Sit down.
Xiaohui. He's been good to you. Since you were detained, he'd gone to so many places looking for folks who could help you. It's all thanks to him that I'm even here today.
Does he have a message for me?
He wants you to take care of yourself and to stay out of trouble.
Wait, is that it?
You got 1 minute.
The restaurant's relocated. So where is it now?
The city.
It's all my fault. Those guys in the county avoided me like I was the plague. You must have been begging them to help with the restaurant. Is Is the restaurant facing some problems?
It's fine.
Look for Yang Shuo. He's got loads of ideas. Ideas on how to run the restaurant. I'm sure he's got those. I trust the kid. I want you to take the money that's left in my passbook. I know it's not much, but it's yours. And please, don't tell my mother about it. Tell Yang Yang not to emulate. And be smart.
Dongbao! Dongbao! Dongbao!
Chunhong, Xiaolei. Wait, why are you out already? How's Dongbao?
He should be fine.
You mean you didn't get to see him?
They only allowed me inside. Dongbao's doing fine. Don't worry about him. He says thank you. Luckily, we still have you two to carry on things while he's detained. The verdict for his case should be out very soon. By then, you can finally sell your market.
I can manage. And if any more thieves come after my market, I can still fight them off.
So, anything new on the market?
Xiaolei, there's something I gotta confess to you.
What is it?
Do you still remember Zhao Xiaobo? He brought in a deputy director general from Jinzhou Industry and Commerce Bureau just so he could buy my market. But the fact is, he's another sneaky scumbag. So I mentioned your name to scare them away. Xiaolei, I could treat that Director General to a meal and explain to him that you have zero financial ties to my market.
Forget it. I'm sure you had no other choice. Just be more careful.
I'm really sorry, Xiaolei.
You can rest easy now. After meeting Dongbao, just wait for the government to bring justice. I got work at the plant, so I gotta be there tonight.
Right. I'll be sure to give you the number after the phone is completely installed in the shop to save you the trouble of going back and forth.
We gotta get going.
Easy on the road.
Yeah, you too.
Bye.
Have a safe trip, Xiaolei.
Xiaoyan,
Huh?
that Mr. Zhao you just mentioned, do you know his background?
His father's a leader in Jinzhou. Sister-in-law, are you concerned he'll come after me?
I'm thinking, this Mr. Zhao has just hit a snag with you. Is it possible he might sneak off to Jiangyang? What's wrong?
If he bypasses me and goes straight to the county to buy my market, then it's all over for me.
Are you certain that the county will sell it? That mayor also said he wants to take over your market, but he didn't go there.
This Mayor Chu is a reasonable man, but Zhao Xiaobo is different. And he's been after Yangtze Street for the last 2 years.
I know Jiangyang well. Don't you worry. I'll be on the lookout and inform you if he acts up.
Right, thank you.
There's still food in the kitchen. I'll get
That's
some.
all right. I can do it.
Sure.
Where's Xiaoyan?
Mom and Dad sent her to Children's Palace, and they're still out shopping.
Oh. Overtime?
Yeah, overtime.
I'll drive then.
No need. I'll manage.
Here. Xiaoyan, we're home now.
Daddy, 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 Daddy!
I'm sorry about that. It's my daughter. Okay. I'll send it right away. Okay, bye.
Daddy, let me help you with your work.
Sure, Xiaoyan's a good girl, right?
Daddy, I want to go to the amusement park today. Tao Ling Qian rode on the pirate ship. I want to ride on it too.
Sure. I'll attend a meeting at the plant, then come back to take you to the park, all right?
And I want to go there with you and Mommy.
Mommy's at work.
Oh. It's been a really long time since you and Mommy were together.
In that case, why don't we call her up and ask her what time she gets off work?
All right, all right.
Hey, don't rip that out. It's important.
But I promise to be good.
You've been working a lot of overtime.
Mm-hmm.
Will you be working late next week?
I will.
Xiaoyan wants to go to that theme park.
I could take some time off.
That's all right. I'll take her myself.
I see.
If I could suggest, maybe do less overtime and come back much earlier. and spend more time with us.
I'll try.
It's a cold winter month. However, spring is in full swing at the vegetable stalls in our country's large and small markets. People don't have to wait in long queues or even use coupons just to purchase fresh and varied poultry, meat, milk, eggs, and vegetables. Compared to the anxiety and trouble of preparing spring festival goods decades ago, it's a real change of pace. With a much richer spring festival food basket than before, billions of urbanites once again feel the vitality, the reform, and opening up have brought to their vegetable gardens. More than 10 years ago, peasants were always scrambling just to even get a chance to harvest any vegetables. So it is a truly remarkable time for us all to be experiencing this privilege.
Hey, Yang Shuo.
Oh, hey there.
Brother!
Hey.
Welcome back.
How are your studies going?
They're good.
Where's Mom? Why are you pounding that yourself?
Mom and everybody else are out right now. They're delivering rice cakes.
And you're still pounding these on Spring Festival's Eve? The three of you should have finished all of this by now.
We've already started since there'll even be more recipients. And she said they weren't in a hurry. We can take our time. Let me do the rest. I can still handle it from here.
You grew up so fast.
Brother?
Leanne, I still have some work to do in the market. I'll skip the Spring Festival. Take good care of Mom.
Brother. Brother! This is from Sis. These are my savings. Sis said I should keep them.
I got my own. Just thank Lee for me, all right? Go on.
Mommy, can we have some pork belly?
Yang, I'm busy here. Please, go on now. Watch over Grandma. Go on.
Quit laughing. Don't you miss your own son?
Yang, why did you make Grandma cry? Huh?
I miss Daddy Dongbao.
Yang, come here. Yang, I miss him too. There. Good boy. Here. Let Grandma kiss you.
Mom, why are you stewing ribs?
Take these to Dongbao when you pay him a visit again. After the spring festival, he loves these. You've been calling at home every day because of his ongoing case. We already know about it.
At first, I thought I'd just treat him as a stranger. But after the incident, I've come to accept him like he was our own.
Who is this Dongbao?
He's your uncle.
Daddy, let's go and play.
Let's go.
Who's there? What the hell? What are you doing here?